Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I am going to show you making a simple LED light flasher circuit. It is a very cheap project and you can make this circuit at home easily. You also can use this circuit as like a school project, college project and other places. If you are a new visitor to my channel, be sure to subscribe this channel. And if you already done, then you are genius. To make this circuit, we might need some electronics components. First, we introduce with them. To make this circuit, first we need one piece transistor. Its value BC547. It is a N-pin transistor. It has 3 terminals. These 3 terminals have different names. 1 number collector, 2 number base and 3 number emitter. 2 piece resistor. Its value 1 kilo ohms and 100 ohms. 470 microfarad 16 volt capacitor. It has polarity terminal. Its white side negative and the black side positive. 100 microfarad 16 volt capacitor on piece. It also have polarity terminal. Its white side negative and the other side positive. 3 piece 5 mm LED. In this 3 LED, one is RGB. First we connect RGB LED with the circuit. Connect RGB LED positive leg with emitter of transistor and connect LED negative leg with base of transistor. Now we connect capacitor with the circuit. Connect capacitor positive leg with emitter of transistor. Now we connect 100 microfarad 16 volt capacitor. Connect capacitor negative leg with emitter of transistor. Please have a look on the circuit so that when we make this circuit, there don't have any mistake. Now we connect LED with the circuit. Connect LED negative leg with 470 microfarad capacitor negative leg and connect LED positive leg with 100 microfarad capacitor positive leg. Now we connect our last LED light with the circuit. Connect LED positive leg with collector of transistor. Now we connect 100 ohms resistor. Connect resistor with empty leg of LED and connect other terminal with 470 microfarad capacitor negative leg. Please watch the connection of this circuit again so that there don't have any doubt. Now we connect 1 kilo ohms resistor. Connect resistor with emitter of transistor. For power source we are using DC 12 volt. Now connect DC 12 volt positive cable with 1 kilo ohms resistor. For safety we are using separator. Now connect DC 12 volt negative cable with negative leg of LED. That LED is connected with collector of transistor. You can see our circuit is working perfectly. Now we off our studio light. Friends, you can see how easily I make this circuit. It is a very simple electronics project that you can make using only one transistor. To decorate your home, office and other places, you can use this circuit. You also can use this circuit as like a school project. If you have any question about this project, then you can ask me in the comment box. You also can request me for the videos. I will try my best to make that videos. So friends, if you like this video, please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.